That was loud. All right. So I'm going to make some small recordings for the people who need this stuff done again. So we've made the new file. Now what we're going to do is save the file. So Control S or Command S. I'm going to go into my web folder, go into my first website, which is what this one is. And then I'm going to name the page index.html. Then I'm going to save it. Now in the body, we are going to insert our table. Now, I told you guys at the beginning, we'll do one for border thickness, one for cell padding, and one for cell spacing. We are going to eliminate that when we get done editing. But what I want you to be able to see is where the borders are to the actual file, to the actual table, so you know where you're dropping things in. So we have to make a table that goes along with our slices. If we sliced up and down, we're going to have one row. No, sorry. Yeah, we're going to have a single row, and we'll have as many columns as we have slices. And if you sliced across, you'll have multiple rows with one column. Okay. I'm going to stop the recording. Oh. All right, so now we're going to insert table. I have 5 slices that went across. So I'm looking for 5 rows, 1 column. Yeah. So 5 with 1 single column. No, the other way around. Hold on, let me look. I forget. Insert table. 5. Oh, that's why I want to skip ones. Okay, yeah. So I got 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your up and down. And the reason it's one solid item is because. Oh.
And yeah.
Sweet.
There's also some cine lenses and a tripod up there for you.
Oh yes, yes. Here.
Wrong bag first.
There we go. Let's do that one. Perfect. That one. Yep. All right. I was trying to get this done before he came. There's everything he needs.
All right, I'll pick that up.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
So now you see we have our individual areas. So if you had 7 slices, you would have 7 rows. If you did 10 slices, 10 rows. If you did slicing up and down, you'd have 1 row and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, however many columns necessary. All right, so right here, you come in, go to File, Insert Image. You have the keystroke for the Mac. It's Option Command I. On a PC, I think it's Control Alt I. Insert image. Okay, we decided that it would be best to nest them so it sits right in the same exact spot. Then I go to my first website folder or whatever website I'm currently working on. I open my images. And I ticked in the wrong one. No problem. I guess I did my slices the opposite way. So again, insert table. I'm going 1 row by 5 columns. I click inside, insert image, nest, page 1. Then, now there's a ton of space here, but I still want to click into my next table cell, the next table cell. Insert image, nest, page 2. Click into my third one, insert image, nest, next page. Insert image, nest, next one. This will be my last one on this one. Click inside. I see my cursor inside the cell, so I know it's correct. Insert image, nest, grab the last one. By where it put it, that meant I was not inside my last one. So I do it again. And there it goes. Right, all in order, the entire page there. This is my index page. I had already saved it and named it and put it in the folder because that was the first thing I did. Made a new file in Dreamweaver, named the file, saved it to my folder. Okay. All right. So at this point, we're going to do 2 last things. First, we are going to eliminate the border, spacing, and padding. Okay. That's going to be found down here at the bottom, right in the body area. So here's a body tag, here's a table tag. And now you see, so on mine, it is line 8. And then you come over to border and make it 0, spacing 0, padding 0. And now you see that your entire page is now back as 1. It is still split into 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 areas. Just all depends. Any questions with removing the padding, spacing, and the border, padding, spacing, and wow, border, padding, and spacing. I'm doing well.
Mine's still showing like spacing, even though I put 0.
Okay, did you hit return afterwards?
Return.
but also check to make sure you don't have multiple tables. See this small area? I have my tables right here. Make sure you don't have any other extra tables because you might have just taken out the padding and spacing from the other one.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
Well, you might have put in extra tables. So, all right, can you share your screen with me?
Okay, you're here.
All right, so scroll up. Hmm. 000. All right, scroll down. Okay. Go up to where it, up at the top where it says split,
Split.
all the way up at top. Go next to it with live, and then click to design.
Design.
It's where you're at live. See that arrow next to live? Click that, go to design. There it is.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Okay, so there's what we have there. Now I am going to go through and I'm going to talk about our linking of files. So just like I showed on the screen right now, you're going to want to turn your view from live to design. Live to design. So up here where it says code split and you were just on live, go to design. All right, so when you're in design mode, now you're gonna go down to the bottom. So I'm gonna click on my first image. Okay, it'll be highlighted with the bars and the nodes. So there'll be a box around it. Then down here at the bottom, you're gonna see map. You have this little pointer, it says pointer hotspot tool. Then you have rectangular hotspot. So I'm gonna use rectangular hotspot. I'm gonna click on that and I'm going to draw a box around the button that I want to link. Okay? Please do that now. All right, so once you've done that, now you get your hotspots in the properties and you got a link, okay? And all I'm going to do is I know what my names are going to be because I'm naming them by the name of their page. So down here, So down here in the link area, I'm going to write index.html. It's obviously Alizé's name, which means it's going back to her index. And all I need to do is type index.html because I am going to be naming my files correctly. Then I click over here in the next one. I highlight family. I come down here in the link and I put family.html. I am going to be naming this page family.html, or I already should have. Then I come over here to friends, come to the link, friends.html, hotspot that, food.html, click in my next one, music.html, and now it's done. Command or Control S to save the file. And now this one page has all of the links done. Then I would go to my next page, which would be my index. Then I would do my family. Then I would do my friends. Then I would do food. Then I would do music. Once I've done all the pages in a website, save it, put in your folder. You are then able to open it in either Chrome or Safari or Firefox, whatever you're using. And then you'll want to go button by button to test them. Don't test it in Dreamweaver. Test it inside a browser. All right.